What if a bird almost started World War III? In 1960, during the Cold War, the U.S. flew secret spy planes high above the Soviet Union. One of them, the U-2, was supposed to be untouchable, flying higher than any missile. But during one mission, something went wrong. A bird slammed into the engine. The plane lost power and spiraled down into Soviet territory, with American spy Francis Gary Powers on board. The Soviets captured him alive, exposing U.S. spying and shattering peace talks overnight. One bird, one plane, and the world came dangerously close to nuclear war.